Hello everyone. Welcome back to Graphic Hunters. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo design by using Pixso. Pixso is the best collaboration tool that enables you to make great products as a team. It offers you real-time collaboration, intelligent UI design tool, high-fidelity prototype, and link delivery. You also get abundant resources available in community. So let's make a logo design by Pixso. This is Pixso homepage. For making a logo design, click on Try It Free. After that, you find this homepage. You can import various files like Figma, Sketch, Axure, XD and Pixso. In community, you find lots of resources, which are designed by others. If you like one of them, you can easily customize and use for you. But I don't take any one, I create a logo for myself. For that, create a new file. And take a frame which you like. I take web page frame. After that, you find this page. Here are given lot of tools, so that you can easily make any design by using these. On the right side, you can see design details, and the top side, you find various tools. By using these tools, you can easily design. So friends, I have sketch of my design. Now I import my sketch. For that, go Pixso file, and select import, and you can import any of these file. I imported JPEG file. Okay, this is my design sketches. First I lock the sketches, so that the sketches do not move. You can easily zoom in from the top right corner like that. So let's design the logo. First take rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle equal to your sketches like that. Okay, that's good. Now change the color which you like. Now carve the rectangle corner like that. If you don't find this, you can easily carve your shape from here easily. Now select the shape, and click on Stroke Color, and turn off Fill Color. Also increase the stroke thickness to 15. Okay, that's good. Now I cut the rectangle one side, so for that, take rectangle tool and draw like that. Select everything. And go Boolean operation, and select subtract the top layer. Okay, that's good. Now place the shape perfectly on the sketch like that. Now copy the shape by hold Alt, and place it below like that. Now make it smaller equal to the sketch. Now select everything, and place it perfectly on the sketch. Now I need to make the middle shape of this logo. So I copied the bigger shape by hold Alt, and rotated hold Shift like that. Also place it in the middle perfectly. I think the F letter is not look good, so I make a little bit smaller for looking good. Okay, that's good. Now select the two rectangle, and copy it by hold Alt, and make it flip horizontal like that. Now place the shape here perfectly like that. You check it by zooming that everything is okay, or not. I think that's okay. Now I draw the top design. I think, I don't need the sketch now, so I delete the sketch. You can see every layers from the left side, and can easily edit if you need. Take oval shape from the top, and draw a oval. Turn off oval fill color. And increase the oval stroke thickness into 15. Again take rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle, and place it on the oval for cut the oval. Now select the oval and rectangle, and go Boolean operation, and select subtract the top layer. Okay, that's fine. Now place it middle of the logo perfectly. I think that's perfect. Now selected everything, and go Boolean operation, and make it united. Okay, that's good. Select the design, and you can change color from here easily now. See that, when I make the logo smaller, the design is broken, so how to solve it? For that, select everything, and go Boolean operation, and select path merging. Now you can easily make it smaller and bigger without any change. Now write the logo name. For that, take text tool, and write the logo name. My logo name is Firely Bio. Increase the logo name size. Also you can change your text fonts here. You find here a lot of fonts, and you can easily use it. I take Rabata bold font. And increase the letter spacing into 5. Okay, that's look good. Now select everything, and make it middle align center. Okay. Finally I have designed the logo, now I need to colorful the logo. Pixso has huge design elements in their plugin. So go plugin, and see that, there are huge collection of design elements. There are huge icons in Icon Park. You also find here pixels, color plat, font replacement, image color picker, skew and more. So I take a beautiful color from color plat. I think, this color is good for the logo. Now I take butterfly images for my design background. I think, this image is good. Now make the image smaller according to your artboard. Send the image back. And take a rectangle tool, and take a square. And change the color into black. Okay, that's good. Send it back. Change the logo name color into white, so that it can easily readable. Also select the background color, and decrease the opacity of it. I think, this is good. So friend, finally we have successfully designed a logo without any software. Now save the design. For that, go Pixso file, and select export files, and export which file you needed. I export it as PDF. So friend, this is the way how can you easily design your logo by Pixso. I have attached the Pixso link in the video description. If you go with the link, you get some free resources to use. Thank you.